everyone, I'm Frances from York County Library here in South Carolina. I'm here today to do a tutorial on how to make a wreath using paper doilies and a wire wreath frame. We did this in-house several years ago and it was very popular with some amazing results. In fact, here's an example. So, let's get started. The materials you need to make this project are a wire wreath form. This one is from Dollar Tree, 2 for $1. 4-inch heart-shaped paper doilies. You can order them online or you can find them seasonally in craft stores around Valentine's Day. And you can get them in assorted colors, so you could make a wreath for any occasion. Glue gun and glue sticks. So I'm going to begin by showing you how to fold the doilies. There's a right side and wrong side. So put the right side down, and to make them consistent, I counted the little half circles at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between the 5th and the 6th half circle, press down at the point and up and fold. Do the same thing on the other side. They don't have to be perfect. So you have a triangle shape. Then you want to fold the bottom up about an inch or so, like so. Doesn't take long. There you have it. Now, I like to begin on the outside. There are 3 segments, outside, middle, and inside. The outside ring, you're going to use 9 doilies on each segment. Then on the middle ring, you're going to use 7, and on the inside, you're going to use 6. So here's how we begin. Slide the doily up under, put some glue on the tip and also on the ring, and then press. Try not to burn yourself. And you're going to repeat that. You're going to overlap, a half an inch or so. Like that, and you're going to continue all the way around each segment until it's complete. Hi, a little correction regarding my tutorial on the wreath with the paper doilies and the wire wreath frame. When you're spacing the doilies, I think I said space them about a half an inch apart. It's probably closer to an inch. So you might want to test fit some without gluing to figure out exactly where they go first before you actually glue them in place. But just wanted to let you know. Now here I am getting ready to put the last doily on the outside ring. So you're going to slide it under, and then you want to bring the one next to it up and over so it overlaps a little bit. And then go back, put some glue. And if you get to the end of a segment and you realize that you've not spaced them quite properly and you have a little gap like I do here, don't worry, don't panic, because you're going to put another layer in the middle, which will cover that up. So we begin with the 7 on the next ring, and I find if I hold it like this, it works best for me. So you just repeat the process, putting 7 on each segment on the middle ring, and 6 on the inside ring. Now I'm just beginning the inside ring. Now here you're going to have 6 doilies for each segment. You want to take your time and space them evenly so it looks nice. To finish your wreath, you can use flowers purchased from a craft store. I disassemble them by pulling the blooms off of the stems. They have a little length here, trim that off. And take the leaf, put a little glue around, put the leaf back on, and then decide where you want to put your flowers. So here's the completed wreath. I think it turned out pretty well. And behind me here on the wall, you can see a couple of upcoming craft projects. So look for those soon. I hope you enjoyed this. And don't forget, summer reading is upon us. Starts on June 7th. So if you haven't already signed up, sign up and you can start reading and working your way towards some prizes. Bye.